Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, footwell lights, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.